Lectric e-bikes. Are they worth it? The short answer, yes. Yes, they are. No, you're just so strong. Wow, you're strong. It's so little. Folds up nice. We got a lot to unwrap here. We'll come back when it's unwrapped. Stella's excited to go for a ride.
What do you think though?
I think they're pretty sweet.
There we go.
Alright, Lucas is getting air put in the tires right now. This will be my first time riding a bike since college, which was a hot minute ago. When was the last time you rode a bike?
Little bike at shop. Ride around in circles.
Lucas apparently has a bike at work, so he is already a pro. I will be on the struggle route per usual. Here we go. Oh boy.
Got it?
Well, I don't have to do anything so far.
Yeah, you just gotta balance. We're not doing anything. Yeah, so one's the easiest part. So.
How did you turn that on?
Screen's on, right?
Yeah.
Just tap the plus button one time.
I got it. Okay. It's fine.
If you tap the brake, it'll shut off, remember. And you don't even need a pedal on these bad boys. And then as soon as you hit your brakes, it'll just engage it too. Yeah, you just go.
I thought you were gonna go on the sidewalk.
Why? Just cruising. We'll take this sidewalk. It's like a cruise control almost, like you don't have to do much. Oh. Do what? How was it?
It was amazing. I love that.
They're actually really fun.
I knew they were gonna be cool, but they're so much cooler than I thought they were gonna be.
Yeah, we went a mile. That's it.
That's all we went?
It's cold though. Today is
Well,
really...
I can't feel my fingers.
Yeah, it's really cold today. It's like 30 to some degrees.
But it was 80 degrees 2 days ago.
Yeah.
Tonight we're supposed to get 6 inches of snow.
Not awesome.
That's Minnesota weather.
Yeah. Alright, we gotta let these charge.
Yeah.
And wait for warm weather.
Yeah. Look at all of that. Minnesota's overrated.